Meet the all-new 2026 Toyota HiLux, built for those who demand rugged durability and modern innovation. Toyota's legendary pickup just got a whole lot better. Welcome to MotoDrive Garage. Today we're diving into the 2026 Toyota HiLux, exploring what's new, what's improved, and why this next-generation truck might just be Toyota's most capable HiLux yet. Let's dive in. Here's how we'll break it down. Let's start with Segment 1, Background and Launch. The 2026 Toyota HiLux is more than just a refresh. It's a refined evolution of a global workhorse. Built on an improved platform and enhanced for stronger performance, HiLux retains its ladder frame durability while embracing smarter technology and tougher design. Toyota plans its global debut in late 2025, with market rollouts beginning in early to mid-2026. With this launch, Toyota is responding to a new wave of truck buyers who expect both capability and refinement. Now let's start Segment 2. Key specifications and features. Under the hood, the 2026 HiLux offers serious muscle. In some markets, it's expected to offer a hybrid setup delivering around 201 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque from a 48-volt mild hybrid version of the 2.8-liter turbo diesel. The exterior gets updated styling, sharper LED headlights, a bold new grille, redesigned bumper and refined rear lighting. Inside, expect major tech upgrades, dual digital displays, upgraded infotainment, premium materials, and driver assistance systems that bring the HiLux closer to SUV comfort than ever. With its robust platform and smarter features, the HiLux offers a rare combination. Serious work-ready capability paired with modern comfort and tech. Now let's start Segment 3. Market positioning and real-world considerations. In the global pickup truck segment, the 2026 HiLux faces competition from the likes of the Ford Ranger, Isuzu D-Max, and other capable workhorses. What makes it stand out is Toyota's legacy of reliability, combined now with upgraded tech and comfort. Real-world buyers will appreciate that while it keeps the utility, payload, rugged build of a traditional HiLux, it also delivers smarter driving dynamics, better comfort, and more connectivity. That said, potential buyers should consider regional specs, off-road versus on-road usage, and local service/support before making a decision. Now let's start Segment 4, who it's for and final verdict. So who should seriously consider the 2026 Toyota HiLux? Tradespeople and fleet buyers who need a truck that can handle daily hard work but offers modern comfort. Off-road enthusiasts who want a capable 4x4 pickup with updated tech and tougher build. Families and adventure seekers who use their pickup for both weekend escapes and daily driving. While it may not have the ultra-luxury feel of premium SUVs, it excels where it counts. Capability, reliability, and now, smarter driving experience. In our verdict, the 2026 Toyota HiLux is a very strong contender in the pickup world. More refined, more tech-savvy, and still immensely capable. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the 2026 Toyota HiLux. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next car review. See you in the next one.